Hello, Dolphins. My name is Jessica Muth, Senior Career Counselor with Career Development and Alumni Engagement. Today, I'm going to walk through a demo of Focus2. It's an online self-guided system that helps you identify occupations that best suit you and help you develop a career plan and an educational plan. So most of you should have this getting started guide. You'll see that this is the link that you'll click. When you're logging in for the first time, you're going to click on register and you will use the following access code, Dolphins. So Dolphins, lowercase d. It's best if you can use a username and password that's different than your MyCI account. And also know when starting to use Focus2, it usually takes around 15 minutes to an hour to fully go through all the assessments. But of course, you can do it all in one sitting or you don't have to. And if you want to kind of pick and choose different assessments, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link here. And you'll see I've already created a username and password, but for you, you're going to go to register. So I'm going to log in because I want to show you what it looks like on a student side, and I want to walk you through a way you can use the assessment. So first in Focus2, we are looking at the student dashboard. So this career planning foundations, this is a great starting point to kind of orient you to the career development process and learn how to be career ready. At CSU Channel Islands, we look at the career development process as being linear. We look at it using the lens of a lifespan theory. And in that, we're looking at this very beginning part of the process, which is self-discovery and career research. This assessment tool will help you learn more about your personality, your interests, your skills. It really starts to look at what do I like to do and what am I good at. It also has these different assessments. So moving down here, you will see that these are valid and reliable assessments. They help you identify occupations and majors that kind of match your personal attributes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this work interest assessment. I'm going to click on review since I already did it. So you'll see that there's a couple different questions and you are going to click the stars to say to what degree you would enjoy this activity. So for example, designing graphic art images and illustrations for advertising media. I've never really done that, but I gave it, okay, a high degree. I think that's probably something I would enjoy. And you'll go ahead and do this for each of the questions. At the end of the assessment, it will show you your first 3 work interest inventory areas, and they will show kind of what's the most important to you. Now, this is important because when you're trying to find that best fit type for your occupation, you're really looking at work that satisfies you. So this assessment tool will show you, I'll show you in the different search results, it'll show you kind of how you rank up next to other people who find great satisfaction in their careers. So for example, I scored pretty high in artistic. That doesn't mean that I'm a great singer or I'm especially artistic. It just means that in a workplace, those who kind of prefer this artistic interest, the creators, they tend to be expressive and creative in their work. They maybe don't want to work with strict guidelines. They want this unstructured flow to their workplace, and they enjoy those activities that allow them to do that. If you scroll down more, you'll see there's 6 different inventories. Another example is social. So you prefer working in groups of people, maybe training or education. You really like kind of those jobs that allow you to work with people. Okay, I'm going to go back to the home button. I'm going to show you one more assessment. I highly recommend that you at least do 3 out of the 5 of these. Your assignment will probably require 3 out of the 5 because it'll be best to combine your search results. Here's the values assessment. This one's a lot shorter. You will pick your top 3 values from the choices below. You'll click continue. And then you'll see here, it starts to show you some search results because I've already done that other assessment. So the more assessments you do, it'll start to show you, these are the occupations that match you based upon your values. And then it also will show you other assessment combined results for other best matches. So you can see here that you can search alphabetically. I'd suggest that you unclick these. So you're looking at bachelor's and advanced degree options. So if you scroll down here, you can just start to explore. Maybe you're, maybe an art therapist. You click on that. It looks like it's a bright outlook. That's this orange sunny looking circle. You can learn about an overview, some tasks you would do. You also, what I was talking about before, you can look at kind of how you ranked in terms of your interest inventory, and then how other people who are working in this occupation, what they say is, you know, a best fit for them as well. So it kind of matches you up against them. It looks at your skills, it looks at your values. So for example, one of my values was artistic creativity, and looks, it says that this is a value of that occupation as well. Also, what I find really, really helpful is it'll show you what most people enter this occupation, what degree they have, so a bachelor's degree. It also shows you major areas of study specific to CSUCI. So art, you can save this major for later. You can say why it appeals to you and save the major. You can keep scrolling down. You can see, so remember when I said it was a bright outlook? Any occupation that has that sun feature will show you that this is a field that's projected to grow. So you'll see 8 to 13% from 2018 to 2028. You also can look at the earnings per state. Very important to kind of know, you know, what the rate of pay and kind of what the career generally makes. Also, this is very helpful. This is professional association. So this is pulled to show you, these are some other websites you can take a look at and learn more about the field through these professional organizations. And you can go ahead and click this combine assessment results as well. We can pick skills, personality, values, and go from there, and it will give you an even more customized search result. So you can look specifically at these 9 occupations. You'll see that it'll show you which ones are a really strong fit with your values, personalities, and skills. So that is the main part of self-assessment. I really love if you could jump on and kind of do some of this self-discovery to learn more about yourself and potential career fits. Also on this software, if you have an interest in exploring more, you can see these suggested majors that match your personal attributes, and you can also use this to navigate career options to make those informed decisions. What if I majored in this versus this? You could explore occupations, you could explore by job families. Also ways for you to take action so you can develop your own academic and career plan based upon your goals and your plan for the future. This also shows you a summary of results. So when I went and clicked that art major, it'll save in your top saved majors there. And also it'll show you other recommended tools and websites. So this will take us to our website. It'll help you explore even more. It's linked to different resources by career development and alumni engagement, ways you can make an appointment with us, ways that you can attend an event, come to a career fair, engage with alumni, and just really learn more about your career and kind of find that best fit in that satisfying work. So any questions, please make sure to reach out, and you can shoot us an email at career.services@csuci.edu. Thank you.